Hey, good evening everyone. It's Matt with Those Dyno Guys. I just got done tuning this 2020 Road Glide Special. This bike came into me as a Screaming Eagle 131 with the Screaming Eagle 517 cam. It had the Screaming Eagle header on there with the cat in it. It had Reinhardt mufflers. What I did to it was I did some transmission work, micro polished the gears, back cut the gears, and then added this SlyFox Racing 2-in-1 exhaust and a Cycle Rama 483 cam from Alpha Performance Engines in Australia. We had a really fantastic result. This bike came in tuned with Power Vision from another dealer, and then I tuned it with Power Vision for the final as well. And let me show you what's going on here. So that's SlyFox Racing pipe, and it's got a titanium muffler. This bike had the ventilator on there. It had the Screaming Eagle 64mm throttle body with that ventilator intake, Screaming Eagle 5.5 injectors. All right, so when we came in, this bike had 117 horse and 129 foot-pounds of torque. Leaving, we got 140.5 horsepower and 155 foot-pounds of torque. Down here at 2,800, realized about a 31 foot-pound of torque gain down there. The clutch did slip ever so slightly through there, but it was so slight that I'm not going to worry about it. He'll never feel that on the road. Had the clutch not slipped, I think that torque number would have been closer to 160. It accelerates incredibly fast. This run from start to finish was only 6.2 seconds long. That's moving. So really a fantastic result.